Welcome to Chuche's Mind.
My is different than your dripping in sauce.
Good morning to you. It is a very hot Friday morning. I can die right now. I'm gonna die of dehydration. I'm gonna die of heat. But that's not why I'm here today. I'm here today to talk to you about avocados. I've come back, I've been my life too much. Okay. So I read somewhere that you can use rotten avocados as your face mask. Okay, not rotten, but avocado that has gone bad or that is going bad. And by touching this thing, can you see? You can tell this one don't spoil or remain small before it goes spoil. So let's do this face mask. The face mask I'm doing is avocado yogurt, or the avocado milk face mask. Let me get the name right here. Acne cleansing avocado yogurt mask. That's what I'm gonna do. So watch me do this. It is not that bad. They said you should use half avocado, so this is my half. I'm going to throw the other one away anyways. It said half a cup of yogurt. You know, it's even good I made yogurt. Let's do this. So I've been hoarding avocado seeds because I heard you can make avocado oil with avocado seeds. You can make avocado oil from avocado seeds. So let me show you my stack. Look at all those seeds minus this inflated bullshit. Let's gather everything together. Look at all my seeds. I heard that you have to dry them first, so I'm keeping them out to dry. Then I'll go and check the remaining process and start to do. I just need to pack enough seeds for this. Let's go and do my mask. So I have to transfer it into this bowl, like it's not bowl, into this Body Shop container because my mom is very particular about her kitchen stuff. We don't use kitchen things for hair, body, nothing. So let me not look for trouble. I'm using this brush because anytime I watch Nikki, she's applying like a face mask or something, she says she uses a brush, and Jackie too uses brushes too. I'm going to leave this on my face for 15 minutes. I'm so tempted to taste this thing. I feel like this misky. Hey! I feel like this mix is too much for my face, so I'll probably keep some in the fridge and use it tomorrow. Anything that is good for your face is equally good for your hair, equally good for your body as well. Okay, that's food stuff, Sha. Apparently, I'm meant to leave this for 15 minutes, and the time is 9:34. I'll just say 9:35. I think I'm putting it on my head too. Oh, Juju Kanaba. You. It's dropping on my body. And now some avocado baby. I don't like to waste things, especially food. Only if I don't like it. This thing smells so nice. See, my hair is just laid. Oh my god. Okay guys, this is basically it. I'll come back in 15 minutes. Yeah.
Eventually.
I thought it was going to dry, but I'm actually sweating because of this Lagos heat. I'm just going to take it off now when I come back. Oh no, I want to wait for 30 minutes because like it's 20 minutes now. So let's be waiting.
1 hour later.
I want to say thank you to Avocado Yogurt Recipe for sponsoring this video. So let's get into the review. Jokes aside, you guys, my face feels so, I was going to say milky, but forget, I don't know what I'm talking about. But it feels so smooth and really nice. I think I should be doing this mixture all the time. But yeah, so after, because I'm doing my skincare routine, so after I use my avocado yogurt mix, I come back and I use my aloe vera smoothing moisture lotion by the Body Shop. You guys can tell that I'm in love with Body Shop. So yeah, so what I do is I pat it into my face. I don't rub. I find that when I rub it, my face feels some type of way. So yes, I just pat it. After I rub my hands together, heat, and then I pat it. I rub it to myself. Yeah. Wow. So I just pat it into my skin. You know, feel the moisturization mixing and going in my skin. Oh my god. That feels refreshing. I'm going to start sweating in the next like 3 seconds because the heat. Oh, and let me tell you guys, my hair feels like a baby's bottom. How does a baby's bottom feel? I don't know. If only the weather was cool now, I'd just be feeling myself, you know. That's the end of this video, guys. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and what? Subscribe. Bye for now. I don't know why this thing cannot focus on my face. Do you have a problem with me? Okay, no you don't. Bye.